Hi everyone, it's Gail and I am here with a bonus video. I have the August kit from Piles of Paragraphs on Etsy, and Lori has put together a beautiful array of pinks and mint green, and so I'm super excited to make a tag with this. So that's what we are going to do today. Let's get started with making my little tag shape here. So yeah, August kit already. Is it just so crazy how quick this year's gone? I don't know if everybody else feels that way, but man, oh man, I sure do. Okay, so we have, our tag base. We have a variety of papers here, all sorts of different pinks and mint green. This one's embossed, so pretty. And then we've got a couple of pieces of fabric. This one lace, this one kind of a shimmery pink fabric, and then we've got a little snippet here. I'll probably use that for my topper. And then we've got this fun little, I think it's a sticker, is it? Yeah, little flower sticker. So, I have no plan, as usual. Okay, that's the exact size of the tag. I don't know. I have no idea what I'm doing here. I just know that I want to try and use most of this stuff. I don't know. I'm just kind of playing here. Okay, well, I think I'm going to put this at the top. Okay, let's move this over for a second. I like that layout of paper. So we might as well cut this. I think I'll use my cutter just so I do it straight. And I'm just going to put a bit of that at the top. Might as well have a good scrap piece, whether we use it in this or not. Okay. Let me get my glue book here and my glue. I think I might be in need of a new glue actually, but I think we might get away with a little bit here. Okay, so I'm gonna put this up here. So I'm gonna just glue the tag down to about there for a moment. Hope you're all having a good day. I was excited. It's first thing in the morning here, and I was just anxious to play with this. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and trim it off just so that I can see what I'm doing with the other pieces of paper. Tiny little bit right there. Yeah, hope you're having a good day. I think this will air probably at noon. Kind of try to space them out when I do a bonus video. Space it out a bit. Okay, so then if I did that there, yeah, maybe I could go up to that little corner. Okay. Whoop. Yeah, so all these pieces are included in the kit, and then as Lori says in her little note to you that comes with the kit, that she encourages you to use whatever pieces you might have in your stash too. So I think I have an idea of something I might want to use. I don't know. Let's just see how we do. Okay, we'll cut this off. Okay, then I had this up this way, didn't I? Okay. Just collaging them on, basically, is what I'm doing here. It's always fun to see when people post on Instagram what they have done with the kit, because it's so funny, you know. It's just like everything we do, same exact supplies, and everybody comes up with something a little different, you know, just based on their own eye and that kind of thing. I think I'm going to put that there, I think. But I might want it like that. Yeah, so the flowers are kind of at the bottom. So, excuse me. I have the morning, I don't know what. It's quite smoky here. The fires in Canada is where we're getting the smoke. Oh, I'd really like to use this too. Maybe I put that there. Okay, I need to ink and think for a second. I'm going to ink around this just so I can visualize it a bit better, you know? This looks pretty inked. Yeah, Lori gives you so many pieces and parts that I often have leftovers, and then I just use them in another project. But she's generous in the parts and pieces that she provides for you to play with. Okay, so there's that. I think I want to, yes I do, ink this around the edges as well. Okay, so now that, and do I want to put that in the middle of that? Do I want that slid over a bit? Okay. I'm thinking about the fabric. Do I want the fabric behind this piece? Like that. I think I do, but I want this to be smaller and this to be just a bit smaller. Yes. Okay. I have a plan. We're just going to see if it pans out. Okay. You know, got to get inky first thing in the morning or things just aren't right. That's just cardstock. Just had to make sure. Okay. Put that there. Make it straight. It's a good idea. And then I'm going to put this down the middle of this, like that. Okay, now let me get my little add-on that I was gonna do. I think I would like, I was wondering about putting one of these Tim Holtz people. I like her. Oh, they're so funny. Ooh, she's good. She's her face is pink. It kind of goes with the paper. Let's see how she does. Yeah, I think I'm going to do that. I love these little Tim Holtz people. I mean, there's so many of them in a pack. I haven't seen them in the stores lately. Have you guys? I don't know. You never know with Timmy. He changes things up and then we can't get what we're used to working with. Okay, so I want to put that like that, but I feel like I want a little something, perhaps a stamp. What about a stamp? Oh, I have this homemade one. Maybe. Just gonna look for a second and see what I have. Well, that just may be it. Well, I think I like this one better. Maybe what I need to do is just get it under the flower a little more. Okay, I think I'm going to do that. So let's put our pieces on. That. Let's hold her down for a second. Excuse me for getting glue on your chin, lady. It's a hazard of being in this craft room. Okay, I kind of think that. Okay. About there. And then this is a sticker, but I'm still going to put glue on it because it's going to be over the lace and the fabric and everything. So don't trust it to stick. Okay, so then that kind of go there. Okay. I'm feeling like it needs something right over here. So what if we did like a little postage type? Oh, I know. I don't know what this one is. It's a graphic 45. stamp thing, but I'm not sure the name of it because I apparently have cut it off of there. Okay, so let's grab just the glue book because it's handy. And I'm just going to put a couple of stamps on it. There we go. Okay, now I'm happy. It just needed a little something in those spaces. Why don't we stamp this off, Gail? Okay, so now we need to think about the topper. I'll do that later. Okay, so there we go there. Now I wanted to use this, but I'm thinking I have this lace bit that could be good too. I'm also looking at this because I didn't use it. What if we cut that in half? Do that. Then this. And then this on top of it. That's fun. Has lots of fluff. Okay, I'm just going to use my Tim Holtz tiny attacher. And there we go. August tag complete. So I hope you enjoyed watching me make that, and I hope you'll go over to Piles of Paragraphs on Etsy and get your own so that you can play with these beautiful colors. I love this one, Lori. Love it, love it, love it. So thanks so much, everybody. I hope you have a grateful day, and we'll just see you in the next video. Bye.